Did you know that managing and scaling your online marketplace is easier than ever before? Thinking, how is it possible to do? Well, the CS Cart multi-vendor sub-account allows you to make your management easier with the help of multi-sub-account features for the vendor's store. Hi, I am Achal. Here we will be checking out the functionality of CS Cart multi-vendor sub-account extension. By using this extension, the admin and the vendor can able to create different sub-accounts. They can also able to set the limitations for the different sub-account holders. It also allows to assign the different roles and responsibilities in order to manage the products, shippings, orders, etc. Now let's jump into the demonstration part of this extension, and before proceeding further, I would request you to please do subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell icon button to get more updates. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webcool.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog section, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, as you can see, this is the backend of CS Cart, and here I will going to show you the complete functionality of CS Cart multi-vendor sub-account extension. So here this is our admin panel. And in order to get the add-on details, you need to click on add-ons, and inside the manage add-ons, you will get all the complete list of your installed add-ons. And here we are checking the multi-vendor sub-account functionality. So you need to click on it and it will redirect you inside few of the settings option. And on the very first page, you will find the general setting. Here you will find the two of the options where to access this add-on and the description of this add-on. Now the next option is of settings. Here you need to mention the sub-account limit. From here the admin can able to set the limit of the sub-accounts which the vendors can able to create. And in the last option you will get the information regarding this extension. So this is about the configuration settings. Now, in order to assign the roles and responsibilities to the sub-account users, admin need to navigate inside the customers, and here admin will find an option of sub-account. You need to click on it, and here you will get the complete list of the sub-account holders. In order to create a new sub-account, you need to click on create sub-account. So as I have already created two of the sub-accounts, so I am going to show you the functionality inside these sub-account holders. As you can see, on the very first page you will find an option of general, and here you will get these information like user account information. It will ask you to provide email, password, confirm password again, and here you can able to activate or deactivate this sub-account holder. And here the admin can select the account type as well as customer or vendor's administrator. And here admin can enable or disable the text XML. And the next option is of language. From here the admin can select the preferred language as well, and here the admin can able to assign a vendor from the list. And the next option is of contact information. You need to fill out the sub-account holder information over here, like the first name, last name and the phone number. And the last option is of shipping address. Here you need to provide the shipping address details like the address, city, country, state and zip code. After filling out these information, you need to click on permission, and here the admin will find these settings like what permissions, roles and responsibilities you want to assign to the specific sub-account holders. As here you can see we are having multiple options like home page responsibilities you want to assign, and from here you can able to choose any one, like full access you want to provide, can view only, or no access. You can choose any one of them as per your own requirement. And here you will find all the functionalities like the roles which you want to assign to the specific sub account holder. After providing these permissions, you need to click on save. Once you click on save, the user will also get notified along with the changes which you have made from the backend or the permissions which you have provided to that specific sub account holder. This way the admin can able to assign the roles and responsibilities. Now I will going to show you like how the vendors can able to manage such information. So for this I am navigating inside the vendor panel. You can see this is our vendor panel, and in the left navigation you will find an option of vendors. You need to click on it, and inside the vendor section you will find an option of sub account. You need to click on it, and here it will show you the sub account holder list. In order to create a new sub account, you need to click on this button, and I have already created this one, so I am going to show you the features which you will find at the time of account creation of the sub account holder. Now you can see these information you will find in the general settings. You need to fill out the general information like the user account information, email, password, and you can marking this as activate or disabled. Same as you need to provide these information which you have also provided from the admin end. Account type you can select from here. You can mark this text as enable or disable. From here you can select your preferred language, and here you can find the vendor as well. Now the next option is of contact information. Here you need to provide the first name, last name, phone number, and the very last option is of shipping address. You need to provide the shipping address details at the very last. After this you need to click on permission, and here you will find the entire store access, like what access you want to provide to this specific sub account holder. Full access if you want to provide, can view only access, or no access. You can choose any one as per your requirement. This way the vendor can able to assign the roles and responsibilities to the sub account holders as well. So that's all about the CS Cart multi-vendor sub-account extension. If still you are having any kind of concern or queries, you can reach us at support@webcool.com, or you can also raise a ticket from webcool.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.